back to this now. As a student, how do you determine the bond angle of a particular compound? It is very, very simple. Come, quickly come, let me show you what to call about dative covalent bond. And if you are to look at what dative covalent entails, then you should have a knowledge on how to determine the shapes of any molecules given. Don't forget that for every molecule, how do we determine it? There's what we call VSEPR theory. VSEPR theory states that you can easily predict the shapes of molecules and polyatomic molecules or ions. Exactly now. So guys, what does this particular thing means? We have valence shell, electron, this P means pair, and here we have, call it repulsion. So valence shell electron pair repulsion highlight how to predict the shapes of any molecules given to us. Exactly. So quickly come back to this now. They said the bond angle in methane is what? 90 degree. Mind you, is as a student, if you have 90 degree, a good example of this 90 degree, don't forget, before we move on, we call this a trigonal bipyramidal. And what is that example of this trigonal bipyramidal of this 90 degree? Don't forget that chemistry core will not come to just pick answer without explaining. So now we are going to explain each of the options we have there. So we are starting with 90 degree. So which is what? Trigonal bipyramidal. Example of this, we call it phosphorus pentad.